Welcome to Smart Story Studio, where timeless truths come alive through powerful scripture stories filled with lessons, emotions, and transformation. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any of our weekly uploads. Now, let's dive in. Have you ever wished something in your life could move faster? A dream, a breakthrough, an answer to a long unanswered prayer. In our age of speed, of instant messages and same-day deliveries, we often forget that true acceleration doesn't come from technology. It comes from divine alignment. Today, we travel back over 3,000 years to witness one of the greatest acts of divine speed in human history, the story of Prophet Sulaiman, AS, and the teleportation of a throne across empires, all in the blink of an eye. This is not just a story from a book. This is a spiritual blueprint for what's possible when you align with knowledge, faith, and divine permission. Sulaiman, AS, was not an ordinary king. He was gifted a dominion unlike any other. He commanded the wind. He understood the speech of animals. He ruled over jinn and men alike. But his true greatness didn't come from his throne. It came from his heart, a heart deeply grateful to Allah, fully aware that power is a test, not a trophy. And one day, a test would arrive in the form of a woman, Bilqis, the Queen of Sheba. Queen Bilqis ruled over Saba, a rich kingdom in modern-day Yemen. Her palace was known for its beauty and sophistication. Its crowning jewel? A magnificent throne encrusted with gems and surrounded by power. But power alone is not enough. Sulaiman, AS, knew that no matter how advanced a civilization may be, if its heart bows to the sun instead of the creator of the sun, it is still in darkness. So he sent her a message, an invitation to monotheism. And as her caravan approached Jerusalem, Sulaiman turned to his court and asked one of the greatest questions in the Quran. Who can bring me her throne? Open book Surah An-Naml 27:38, he said, O assembly, which of you will bring me her throne before they come to me in submission? It wasn't a challenge. It was a divine moment. Because in that single request, time, space, and science were about to be bent by faith. One of the strongest among the jinn responded, Open book Surah An-Naml 27:39. A powerful one from among the jinn said, I will bring it to you before you rise from your council seat. Impressive, but Sulaiman, AS, stayed quiet. He knew something greater was possible. A deeper silence spread through the courtroom until